Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to download and install Skrill wallet application on your smartphone, whether you are using Android or iPhone. First of all, open your App Store or your Google Play Store on your smartphone, and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now in the search bar, type in Skrill and search. Look for the Skrill wallet application from Skrill Limited in the search result and tap on the install or the get button. On your iOS, you will need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once you do that, the download process will begin. For your Android, you can just tap on install and the download will begin and finish automatically. Skrill is one of the most trusted digital apps for sending money, shopping online, and managing crypto securely. Downloading it only takes a few steps, and once it is done, you can launch the app open. After you are done, click on the open button to launch open Skrill wallet app on your mobile device. Turn on necessary permissions such as notifications or allow any other access, and then, after you are done, you can create a new account if you don't have an account already, or you can log into your existing account. That is how you can easily download and install Skrill wallet application on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back with more Skrill wallet tutorials. Thank you for watching.